Here's a nice example of an early, an unusual slot machine. You notice the configuration has the handle in the center. This is made by the Caille brothers, and it's called the Victory model. It was made around 1920 or so, and it was named Victory because of the victory, of course, of the Allied powers in World War I. And this one is a gum vendor. It, again, features it's also known as a center pull because it's the only machine of its type that had this design. The nice thing about this one is it's a cast iron machine that has not been restored. Some wear and some patina. You can see some wear up here to the nickel plating, probably from years and years of a hand resting up there, and there's some wear, of course, on the handle. But overall, very nice. What's really magnificent about these early ones is the beautiful pinstriping that they did on the oak case and the original decals. They did it on both sides, which is really, again, just great sign of craftsmanship. Beautiful compliment to the rich castings. If you even look at the attention to detail on the back of the machine, where seemingly no one, or certainly not a lot of people, would be looking, there's still just such great detail and great work. What's also nice about this is it has its original back door with, or I should say, two back doors, serial number, a nice early serial number stamped in, and a very unique configuration where when you open the door and you can have access to the cash box, and then there's a peekaboo window with the counter inside showing how many plays the machine has registered. So it's a way basically to for the operator and the owner to keep track of what the income was on the machine. So just a really, really, again, nice specimen to find early cast iron machines like this. Let's go ahead and play it. Aside from having all of the gum vending mechanism intact, this machine also has the deferred pay. And the way that works is it basically is saying that right now you cannot expect, when it says no, you cannot expect a payout on the next play. We put a nickel in and we push down the handle. And we hit a lemon, an apple, and a plum. And certainly there is no money coming out of the cup. We do see that the nickel that we played is showing up there as an anti-cheat, anti-slug device. We got apples and a lemon, and what we see here is with two apples and a lemon that there's now a 4 showing here. And what that means is that the next time we push down the handle and play, we're actually going to get 4 nickels back. And sure enough, there in the pay cup is our 4 nickels. And the reason for the deferred pay was to basically say that this was a way of avoiding the machine being classified as gambling, because if in the window it tells you in advance how many coins you're going to be getting, well then of course it's not a gamble. And if it tells you that no, you will not be getting any, well then you're just playing it for the gum. And by the way, every time you play it, you would have a chance to either push or pull. In this case, since the lever is in, when we pull out, that would dispense one of the gums, and then it locks. And then when we play it one more time, and we can go down and we can now push the lever, and it locks again, and it would dispense gum alternating side left and right. So this is the early 1920 cast iron Caille Victory gum vendor.